What I have here is my 1998 Volkswagen Jetta Mark III. I bought it used a couple months ago and just realized I never let my rear seats down until I went to go install coilovers this weekend. So as you can see here, the seat locks and you're able to pull it down. Right here it has the key lock, and then right here it's supposed to have a little lever that you're able to pull up to release the mechanism that allows this to drop down. Well, on both sides of mine, they were broke off, and I had no clue on how to actually release the seat, so I was able to access the coilovers. So I'm going to show you how I figured out. I did read an article online about the best way to get them to release, but there was no pictures. So I'll show you what I used and the replacement part to fix it. So again, if you bought your vehicle used and you're unsure, straight up and down like this, parallel with the front and rear wheels, that is unlocked. If you turn it this way, that's going to lock the seat and the mechanism, not allowing any movement and the seat to drop down. So first things first, I just pop this off. It just literally just sits on there. You probably don't need to, but it makes it a lot easier. And then once you drop this down, you're able to see the back of the actual mechanism. So what the lever does is it goes in this hole right here, and it has a little thing and it pulls up on it to release it from the latch. So what I did was I found a piece of wire and I bent it and made a little hook on the end. You can use a coat hanger, wire, anything like that that's going to be firm enough to grab it, and you fish it through the hole just like this. You're able to get in there and you're going to hook it. Again, you're going to be doing this blindly from up top, so you're not going to be able to see this, and then you're able to pull it, which is going to release it. So let's go ahead and get it fixed with the right part so we don't have to keep using a piece of wire. So these are the pull knobs that we're going to be installing. As you can see, again, you just kind of grip it, you'll be able to pull up. And that's the hook little loop part that's going to hook onto where we just used the wire. I bought these on Amazon. They were like $15, $20. I'm not sure. If you have a friend with a 3D printer, you might be able to find them cheaper. But overall, I'm actually pretty impressed with the, I don't know, I guess high quality hard plastic that it is. I mean, it probably will still break eventually, because I mean, it's a Volkswagen, but we'll get it fixed today. So I went ahead and put the black cap back on right here. I'm going to fish this actual knob down through the hole. And as you can see, you're going to be able to push it on here. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but you're just going to push it on and it locks into place, and that's all that it takes. So again, not much to it. You don't need to take off the headrest. I did anyways just because I wasn't sure since I've never done it, but good to go. Again, all you need, piece of wire with a little hook loop on the end, coat hanger, anything like that. I'll drop a link down below for the actual replacement part, the two pull knobs. Again, $15, $20 on Amazon. Got here next day. Not a big deal. Glad I did it. So now I'm actually able to haul something if I need to put my seats down. Let me know if you have any questions.